Ciao Woodbridge, it's Pietro here, your trusted Italian Realtor, and today I would like to discuss something different than listings. The construction noise that all of us in the complex is hearing next door is not just the sound of the progress. It is the fact that your home's value is appreciating. Did you know that the Desi apartments are renting for up to $3,600 per month? So that is a proof that our neighborhood is in high demand, and stay informed is the best position to maximize your equity and your future profits. Woodbridge isn't just a community where it's amazing to live. Homes here are selling faster than ever because everyone wants to live here. Friends, don't miss the opportunity to call me today to have a honest conversation about your home equity, and as always, the Italian Realtor Pietro is here for you. Happy Thanksgiving, ci vediamo presto, ciao!